Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I would like to do a very fast review about this perfume if the weather conditions will allow me. So basically, BADEE Al Oud, guys, I'm gonna open this perfume for you to show you what it is. I bought this perfume, guys, recently, not long ago. Let me just open it for you. Now we have it. And basically, BADEE Al Oud, guys, this perfume is very well known in between of people who likes Arabic perfume or Middle Eastern perfume. I was wearing for the first time today, and let me tell you, my first impressions was that this perfume seemed to be very similar to Khalid by LATTAFFA. It was very incensey type of perfume, but Khalid is more incensey than this one. This perfume, it has a lot of quality. I noticed that men usually try to wear this perfume quite often. That means perhaps men, find this perfume, quite likable in between of, let's say if you are a man and if you want to buy it. I noticed that really men are talking about this perfume quite often. It's due for Wood for Glory, and the price I was paying around £28, and it was a bit more expensive than other perfumes. But let me tell you experience how it was, guys. I'm gonna spray it for myself right now. I'm gonna spray it, guys. Let me see, just to spray it on one more time. Today the longevity was pretty good, guys. The longevity of this perfume, I have no complaints. I was feeling, guys, quite royal type of, like, to be honest, like I expected this perfume to be more royal than what I found. I thought this perfume gonna be either ambery or maybe musky or maybe lactonic and sweet something. I thought it's gonna be extremely type of, profound. What I got is that the notes was saying it was patchouli, it was oud, it was saffron. It kept on repeating those notes that are profound enough. But what I found when I was wearing it, it was kind of gentle type of incense mixed with oud and perhaps a little bit patchouli, and that lavender, guys, gave some kind of airiness for this perfume. So I'm feeling it right now. If you want to experience gentle incense perfume that wouldn't be irritating for other people, so this one is the one, guys. It's quite safe blind buy from Middle Eastern range, because sometimes you can get fragrances that are quite repulsive, and you will not want to wear them. But this one is kind of gentle incense type of, with some interest. It's I am happy to have this perfume. If I would have known that it will be so similar to Khalid, perhaps I wouldn't have bought it, but nobody told me before I got. So now I have two similar perfumes, Khalid and this one. If I would have known which one would I buy, I would probably buy this one, because this one seemed to be more quality and more airy and slightly more quality, if I talk about incense. So this incense seemed to be slightly more pleasant, but Khalid is very pleasant as well, guys. So BADEE Al Oud, sorry for the noise, guys. There's a lot of things going on around me right now. But if we continue, so basically I would recommend you to get this perfume for man and for woman as well. If you guys get this perfume, for none of you, would seem that, oh, I cannot wear it because, let's say, it's too masculine. It's kind of right in the middle, For that reason, it's safe type of blind buy, and it's very interesting, if you don't have any type of incense perfume yet in your collection, so this is the one to go, guys. This is the one to go. So I'm gonna finish my video right now, guys, because it's just too noisy, and I will be back to you soon. I would like to ask, how is your autumn going, guys? Do you feel the change in the weather? Here, as you can see, there are a lot of fallen leaves and a lot of type of weather changing. It's raining and windy as well, guys. I will come back to you soon, and bye-bye.